guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I finally moved to Greece. So for those of you who don't know, my master's is in geology and I've now made it to my next destination, and so I'm going to be here till about February time, so you can expect a bit more travel content from me maybe. So if there's anything you'd like to see from me being in Athens and being in Greece, let me know down below what you'd like to see. But I'm so excited to be here, and I thought I would film a nice little apartment tour for you guys because I've got a nice little place here and it's just very chilled, but I've literally arrived a week ago, so it's still very new to me. But yeah, I thought I would share. Oh hi, welcome to my apartment. Come on in. So this is the kind of front little lobby corridor thing. And then I'll show you the kitchen first. So if we come through here, this is the lovely kind of lounge kitchen TV room. So got a lovely little table here that is also kind of like a desk because I have a roommate here as well studying. So we kind of turn it into our little workstation and we can work all together in the kitchen. It's quite nice. And then we have a very small kitchen, but it kind of works, and it's just really sweet because we can just kind of cook everything together. And I mean, we're in Athens, so we don't actually cook that much because we like to go out as well, so it just works for kind of the two of us. It's quite nice. And then the lounge is just, this sofa is deceiving. You might think, oh, it's so big and spacious, but it's weirdly hard and the pillows are a little bit uncomfortable, but it's perfect for what we need. And I mean, the TV as well, it's just very luxurious for students, I must say, so we're really enjoying ourselves. And then if we come round here, we also have a balcony, which unfortunately the weather currently isn't on our side, so it's been torrential rain non-stop. But we've got a nice little dry spell currently, so you can see it's just kind of this nice long balcony thing. Although I feel like this should be higher, so it's a little bit, you know, like, whoa, but I'm not gonna even tease about that. But yeah, so this is kind of the little street, nice little balcony, so it's nice to come out here and have, you know, breakfast or a cup of tea, when the weather allows it, that is. So yeah. If we run back in now. But what's nice is even though it's raining all the time, we don't need to worry about flooding or anything like that because we're on the top floor, so we're all good. So I will quickly show you my roommate's room, and also I just want to show you this. My roommate made this. Is this not the coolest thing? So these are all like shells and things found here in Greece and the islands around, and she put this together. I think it's really cool. Little plug here of how cool her crafting is. So I'll put that back carefully. So this is room number 1. So you can see the rooms here, they're just, I mean, they're so nice and spacious, nice double bed. You can see we're all really light packers. We don't bring a lot, just the essentials, like the essentials only. None of the other stuff, but nice desk, etc, etc. Then if we wiggle through, so we come back into the landing. We have a nice little storage thing which is mainly occupied by me, my things, but it's just nice to have to kind of hold all the little knickknacks and things. Then this is my room. So again, a lovely double bed, which I can't complain about, and then just, yeah, they're just really nice spacious rooms, and I love how high the ceilings are. I think they just make it feel really spacious and just nice. And I do have a door here, but it's just to kind of like a little outsidey area. It's not really like a balcony, but it's nice to have, I suppose. So that's that. And then if we come around here, we have the final room, and a very important one is the bathroom. But it's a nice bathroom. So this is our kind of very spacious, just like nice bathroom. So it's a very sweet apartment, and I've got to say, I think, you know, I'm going to be very, very happy here, and so far so good. So No, it's just lovely, but I just thought I would share with you guys a bit about where I live and how my time here in Greece is going so far, but there'll be lots of content to come. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I also just thought I'd add that I know I haven't been here long, but I have already picked up some really nice pieces of jewellery, so I thought because I'm wearing them I would just share. So I've got this really nice bangle. They're all handmade by this lovely like local lady that has a little stall, and I actually bought all of this today along with these little like cast sea urchin earrings and a teeny tiny little pendant you can see here. I just fell in love with them, and she does so many like different sea themed pieces, and I mean, you know, I like shells and things, so I think my time here I have to, well, I don't have to, but I pass her stall very frequently. So I think I might pick up quite a few things. But she does have an Instagram, so I will link it down below just in case any of you like this sort of thing. I'm not sure if she does like delivery or things like that. I'll have to see if she has like an online store, but it's so nice. And I literally watched her like make some of it, and it's really nice to see. Like I love like supporting little things like that. So you can see, look how beautiful it is as well. And really like the prices, I mean, considering it's handmade, it really is nothing. I think this bangle here was like 14 euros, and it's just like, you made this. So no, I think I'm gonna pick up quite a few pieces, but I just thought I would share in case any of you are curious. But how the detail on these as well, I'm obsessed, and I love, they gave me like a little charm that goes on my little choker here. Yeah, obsessed. So I just thought I'd share just in case. But yeah, cool. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll be back with more very shortly. But I just thought I would share my little apartment with you guys, so I do hope you enjoyed, and I'll link all my social media down below as well if you'd like to follow me on there. But yeah, thank you again for watching. Oh, and check out my other channel, MGems, if you'd like to see a bit more of the archaeology side of Athens, because I'm planning on filming a bit more of the kind of historical and cultural aspects on my other channel. So if you're into that type of thing, check it out. It'll be down below. But thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.